All aboard? Your ID.7 has everything you need for a nice family trip. You can fit an ISOFIX child seat to the rear seat bench in just a few simple steps. Easily and safely. The same is possible on the front passenger seat, for example with an infant carrier. If you use an infant carrier on the front passenger seat, you must switch off the airbag. This is done with the emergency key. Removing ISOFIX seats is also possible in no time. Children are little explorers, and that's why there are a few safety functions that you can activate in your ID.7. For example, the child-proof lock for the doors, or the lock for the air conditioning block in the rear. If you tap Focus in the Sound menu, you can adjust the focus of the sound in the interior. Your kids will sleep more peacefully if you keep the focus in the front. Or adjust the focus towards the rear if they want to listen to a children's story. There are also charging connections in the rear, for example for a tablet. And for short breaks at the charging station, the in-car shop in your ID.7 even offers an app with games. There are lots of accessories available for your ID, for example sunshades for the side windows, or practical luggage compartment trays for muddy rubber boots. A folded pram will also easily fit into the luggage compartment of your ID.7, with lots of space left for a diaper bag or further luggage. The 12-volt connection in the luggage compartment provides power, for example for a cool box. Planning a family trip? It's so much fun with the ID.7.
Volkswagen.